about to get me LOL, and I'm playing Jailbreak on my friend's private server, and I'm gonna be showing you a card texture pack that I got. That's very weird. I got it from in this case. Oh, real one.
Huh?
Real one. See, look. Yeah, guys. So yeah. So let me show you a camo that I got. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I forgot. So it's Ladybug, guys. It's the Ladybug. Ladybug is a really cool texture. So yeah, guys. We're gonna try to. I'm a cop, so I can't really rob. But what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go to prison, escape, go to jail, and then I'm gonna. Hey guys, so I'm gonna log out, go to my Money122 account, and yeah guys, so and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna